It's well established in research that mental rehearsal is a very powerful tool. Athletes have known this for years, right? If you've ever pictured the perfect golf swing or tennis shot, you know that this works. I think about the Olympics and how the athletes will picture their success. You can see them before their ski run, imagining themselves going down, running it perfectly, probably all the way through to a gold medal on the other side. The United States Olympic Committee actually has 4 psychologists on staff full-time to help their athletes with visioning. Well, this doesn't just work for physical things, it can work for any goal that you have. Part of this is because we have a part of our brain called the reticular activating system, the RAS. The RAS is about the size of the end of your little finger, and it's at the base of your skull. And what it does is it helps us filter information. So if you're at a party and there's clinking of glasses and loud noises, but someone from across the room calls your name, it gets your attention because you've learned that's important. We're often reactive with our RAS. So if you've ever had the experience of buying a new car, let's say you bought an Audi A4, a black one, all of a sudden driving down the street, what do you see? Millions of black Audi A4s. Now you're probably not looking for them, but all of a sudden you find them. You can also be proactive with programming your reticular activating system by using the power of visualization. So there's a few steps in this process. The first step is to think about what it is you really want. That sounds silly, but many times you're just not clear on what it is you want to accomplish. And it can be something little or it can be something big. So let's say you have a prospect coming in and you really are excited about working with them and you want the meeting to go well all the way through to them hiring you and implementing your recommendations. So it's picturing them coming into your office, you having an amazing connection and meeting, them loving what you have to say, you being really connected, wanting to work with them as much as they want to work with you, them signing your agreement, all the way through to presenting your recommendations and having them implement them. So it's picturing what you want to have happen, and then it's feeling how that will feel if that happens for you. Are you excited or calm or energized, and actually feeling that emotion? This process has an incredible ability to help you achieve your goals more quickly. And most people don't use it. We just think up here in our conscious mind, oh, I want to close X number of sales, but this can turbocharge your ability to reach your goals. So in addition to picturing what you want to have happen, it's also important to take action. Once in a while things happen by just picturing them in your mind. I do this all the time with parking spaces, legal ones, and they're there, but usually you have to take action on something. And by visualizing, you're programming your reticular activating system to help filter information and have you be more aware of things that can help you towards your goal and your next step. So when I'm picturing a goal that I really want to have happen, all of a sudden I might think, oh, I should really call that accountant I haven't talked to in a long time, and then I act on that. Or I might think of a networking meeting and see it in the paper and then decide, well, I'm actually going to show up there. So it's about taking inspired action to reach your goals as well, and going in with the attitude of knowing you're in the process of reaching your goals.